Hi guys, this is my second reaction to Ginger. The first time reaction of Ginger I can't remember, as always. Um, this is called Duel. It's a it's a live version. So I love Tatiana voice. Um, I was in a concert of Ginger here in Bogota. I have some videos. I will put those videos here in this reaction in this moment. So coming back, so I was happy in that concert because that was my first time watching to Tatiana. Um, Her voice is so energetic. The way she speaks to the public, to the crowd, is so impressive. The way she expresses her feelings is beautiful. Anyway, we have that this new video reaction is called 12. Let's play.
Sounds very good. There is the queen.
I have to say something. Um, I have to say this because I was in that concert. So here in Colombia, I'm so impressed with her, with her versatility and the way she sings with the two kind of voices and the clean voices from her in live is is the same of the videos. If you don't have the opportunity to stay in Ginger concert, is the same. Her voice is the same. Um, Another thing to say is the drummer. The drummer is so impressive. That guy is wild. So let's continue.
Distance of 10 steps away, where hardly everyone seems goes
Oh, what a groove. Ooh. Let's go.
Another thing to point is the way the guitarist is playing because I remember that guitarist. I can't remember the name. So if you have the name, please let me know in the comment. But this guy is so good because the way he's playing live maintain the same energy like the videos, maintain the same sound from the video clips, or in live version is the same. It's so crazy. I think this guy have a well sound engineer, but so pro, so pro. I love it. Let's continue.
Reputation's right. Rise your blood. Rise your blood. Don't let it down. Losses and not the walls embrace.
It's so beautiful.
My excuse is to define the truth. In the battle between me and you. Reconciliation seems nothing but a dream.
Here I'm looking at difference between the concert in Europe and South America, because here the crowd is so child no, that is not that is the wrong word. It's chill. Here I remember the crowd was so crazy, so jumping and screaming, singing the song. Here the crowd is so chill. Sorry, fuck my English, but that I have to say. Let's continue.
The lady again. The monster is coming back.
Amidst the smoke and cries of pain, a moment of doubt, a chance to reclaim. There's no way to hide. The wounds run deep and wide. A choice to heal, or let revenge reside. No painkillers I need. I deserve the only deed. Though I'm down on my knees, I have paid all my old.
What a good song. I love it.
I think this will be the third song to add to my playlist for from Ginger, because I love three songs from this band is Punishment and Just Judgment and Punishment, Pieces, and this one. So that's it. I'm Polito Shield. Let me know in the comments if you have another song from Ginger to react. I will be happy to react and put your comment on the screen and make your famous. So thank you to be with me. So I will see you.